Good morning, students, and welcome back to the history class. As you know, we have finished the fourth chapter, Mesopotamian civilization. Now today we are going to discuss the exercise. So I like to request all of you, please open your history book, page number 29, and keep ready your pencil, sharpener and eraser. When I will give you an instruction to write in the book, please note down it. Okay. Now come to the exercise. That is number A, fill in the blanks. So this is my request. Please open your book and listen me carefully and note down in your book. Okay. Number 1. A, fill in the blanks. First question is that Mesopotamian civilization evolved in the river valley of rivers dash and dash, that is Euphrates and Tigris. That is Euphrates and Tigris. Number 2, rivers were major source of dash, dash and dash. That is, one is agriculture, second one is trade, and third one is commerce. Then question number 3, Mesopotamia is called the dash and dash of many civilizations. The answer is cradle, C-R-A-D-L-E, cradle. Then second one is grave, G-R-A-V-E, grave. Number 4, Mesopotamian society was divided on dash, divided on 3 main classes. 3 main classes. Number 5, Hanging Garden of dash was considered as one of the dash. Hanging Garden of Babylon, B-A-B-Y-L-O-N, Babylon. And second dash is that 7 wonders, W-O-N-D-E-R-S, wonders. Number 6, the main occupation of the Mesopotamian is dash, that is agriculture. Number 7, the Mesopotamians were the first to use dash, bronze, B-R-O-N-Z-E, bronze. Number 8, Easter Gate is preserved in dash, Germany, Berlin Museum. That is preserved in Berlin Museum in Germany. Okay. Then next, number B, match the following. Column A there are 8 questions and column B there are 8 options. So which one is correct? You can see on the screen. Number 1, upper class, and it will goes to number C, royal family, priest, high official. Then number 2, girls were trained in, and that is number E, dance and music. Number 3, Mesopotamians grew, that is number A, wheat, pulses, barley. Number 4, Mesopotamians traded. 4th, B, by land and by water. Number 5th, ziggurats. Ziggurats is goes to number H, temple towers. Number 6th, Sumerian invented. Sumerian invented, it goes to number G, the cuneiform script. The cuneiform script. Number 7th, Hammurabi, the king. Hammurabi goes to number D, code of law. Code of law. Number 8, King Nebuchadnezzar built Hanging Garden. Where is that option? Yes, number F, Hanging Garden. Once again I will show you. Number 1 upper class C. Then girls treated E. The number 3rd A. Number 4th B. Number 5th H. Number 6th G. The cuneiform script. Number 7th Hammurabi Code of Law. 8 King Nebuchadnezzar Hanging Garden. Okay, over. Then come to number C. T for true and or F for false. Number 1, the king was regarded as the representative of God. That is true. Okay, that is true. That means tree. Number 2, ziggurat was stepped palace of king. That is false. Number 2, false. Number 3, the ruler lived in the palace in the walled city. That is false. Number 4th, the Assyrian worshipped mother goddess. False. Number 5th, the king Nebuchadnezzar built the Ishtar gate. That I have doubt that is false or true. King Nebuchadnezzar built that. He built the hanging garden, but here you write false. Okay. Then Babylonian developed the first form of writing. That is true. Okay. Now true false over. If you have doubt, then you can find number 5th by yourself. No need to ask me by phone or the next time. I think it is false because he has built the hanging garden. About Ishtar, you find from the book. Then number D, answer the following question. Then number E, answer the following question. Okay, so these two we will discuss later. Then come to next. Yes. Learning is fun. Fill in the cross puzzle with the term related to the Mesopotamian civilization. Use the hints given below. These are the hints. An answer you can see from the book. Okay, from the screen you can see and find out. Number 5th, across. Pictograph script of Mesopotamian. That is cuneiform. Number 6, the 282 laws. That means 282 laws carved on stone. This one. Number 7, one of the rivers where the Mesopotamian civilization originated. What is that river? Yes, Euphrates. Number 8, temple tower. Ziggurat. Correct. Mesopotamian seals were found in this civilization. Harappa. Then come to downward. Means land between two river. Land between two river. That is Mesopotamia. 2, one of the main occupation of the Mesopotamia. That is agriculture. This line. Then 3rd, Sumerian hero mentioned in Mesopotamian epic. Gilgamesh. This one. Number 4th, build the hanging garden of Babylon. Nebuchadnezzar. This one. This is Then 9th, a gate built at the entrance of Babylon named after a goddess. That named after a goddess, which one? Ishtar. Yes, this one. Then next, come to number D. There are 3 questions. I will give you the only answer. Okay. D1. If you come to the page number, front page, page number 25. Yes, page number 25. This is the answer. What is the question? Who were the part of middle class in Mesopotamian? And the part of middle class were these are the farmers, artisan and traders. Okay, then answer number 2. What is the question? Name 3 main civilizations that rose and fell in the Mesopotamian valley. And the answer is here, from here to here. Okay, you can see the book and try to underline like this way. Okay, up to here I like to read. The Sumerian 4000 BC to 3000 BC, the Assyrian 2000 BC to 1800 BC, and the Babylonian 1800 BC to 539 BC. This is D2 and this is D1. Okay, next, last question. What was ziggurat? What was ziggurat? And you can see on the page number 26. Yes, this is from here to here, whole paragraph. Okay, from here, this 2 line you cut, this one and this one you cut, from here to here. This is the answer of D3. Please underline. This is the answer of D3. Then next, yes, then question number E. Answer the following question. How do we know that the Mesopotamian had trade link with the people of the Indus Valley? And you can see the answer, page number 26, same page, page number 26, from here to here, this paragraph. Okay, this is E1. This is the answer of E1, like this, all the lines. Okay, from up to here only, here to here. This is answer of E1. Then E2. How do the Mesopotamian civilization decline? It is, and this is on the last page, page number 27. Yes, page number 27, and the answer is from here to here. This is answer number E2. Answer number E2, the decline of Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, then come to question number 3. Who was Hammurabi? Why was his code important? And who was Hammurabi? It is on page number 27, same page. Hammurabi. And before going to find this answer, you can see on the screen, that is in big letter. Yes, look at here. First you have to mention this word. King Hammurabi was the king of Babylon. That means Hammurabi was the king of Babylon. Then after that you will note Babylon, and he, here you can see, and he issued, from here you will line, issued a code of law that is called Code of Hammurabi. Using cuneiform script, he had 228 laws carved on a block of stone pillar for all to read. Up to here. Then next, then this line, this whole paragraph. Okay, this whole paragraph. And this is the answer of question number E3. That is answer of E3. Okay, then next, 4. What build were built by Nebuchadnezzar? Describe any. And the answer is next page. Yes, this is this whole paragraph. This whole paragraph is E4. 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 This is the answer of E4. Then last one. And the last one, fifth A. Fifth A, from here you can see page number 27, same page from here. From here to here, yes, this all line, okay, which is underline, you can see on the screen, this all from here to here, this is E5. This is the answer of E5A. Then come to E5B. Next page. And study from here E5B. This is this whole line. The next up to here, these all lines up to here, this is E5B. Okay, this is E5B. Then come to E5C. The next E5C, last one, and E5C, it is this from here to here, here to here. This is E5C, the answer of E5C. Okay, now our exercise is over. Now this is your duty to please note down in your fair notebook. Okay students, thank you, may God bless you.